Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus and we're today again. On a quick one, I just want to answer or give response to someone asking me about SL and TP. I'll do that in this video, and also I'll do in this video also how to lock in profit. So I'll show you exactly how to lock in profit, and we're talking about risk risk ratio. I'll be talking about that too in this video. So guys, um let's get started. So before I proceed, also guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I just want you to do so. Click on the subscribe button, please. I'm begging. Click on the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell if you haven't done that, so that anytime I drop video, um, you will be the first person to know about the video. And also probably very soon, very soon, yeah, there will be giveaway on this channel. That's definitely sure. I'm gonna keep to everything I say. So guys, let's get started, and we are on boom 500 index, and this is 15 minutes time frame. Now let me quickly show you what time frame is. Even should you are new, you can see I'm porting to M15 above here. So the 15 minutes time frame is talking about each candlesticks will run for 15 minutes before it creates another one. You see, this will run for 15 minutes, this 15 minutes, this 15 minutes, this 15 minutes. So if 15 minutes is not completed yet, the spike that we had just now we complete its 15-minute cycle before another one come up. So that's that for that. Now let's go to exactly what we have. Locking in profit, or let me see, if we want to set stop loss for this trade. Let's assume if the signal was dropped on boom 500 index to sell. Okay, so I'm using lot size of 0.20 with this trade, right? Now if you want to set your stop loss, you have to look at the key zone depending on the time frame that your signal was picked. Okay, now the best place to set stop loss for this, click your crosshair, then make sure your stop loss should be a bit above this place. Now let me use an arrow first. Your stop loss should be a bit above this, should be around where the arrow is pointing to. Okay, I will now click on the crosshair, then I will pick the price of the crosshair, and the price on the crosshair is showing 5929, right? 5929. Okay, now you can decide to add decimal numbers to it, but for me, let me just pick 5929. Now let's go to where our trade is running. Okay, now we've gotten to where our trade is running. Then you can swipe to the left side, then you click on the pencil like button, which is the second button. Then you will see your SL. Okay, click on the SL, then you type in 5929. Okay, then you click on modify. Now when you click on modify, you can see, now let's go back, you can see automatically it has set the SL. This is the SL, you can see, and the SL means stop loss. Now let's assume your trade is running and it's going back from here. When it hits this stop loss here, okay, it will stop. Now if you want to know the amount of money you will lose, that's what I've done in the previous video. Now let's quickly do the little math. Now let's go to M1 time frame. Now click on the crosshair again. Now let's pick from the entry here to the present point at which we have the spike here. Okay, now you can see, no, we want to calculate the stop loss. Let's go back to M5 time frame. Yeah, it's cool. Now come to the entry. This is the entry. Then make sure you're pointing to above where the stop loss is. Okay, you can see the figure is not showing very well. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, it will be cool with this. Now click on the crosshair. Now let's go to the entry. Then from the entry right to the top here. Okay, now let's look at the figure. You have 16 pips, right? 16 pips. Now what you now do is you're now going to use your calculator if you have one. Now 0.20 multiply by 16 pips. So that's $3.20. It means if your trade should hit your SL, you will be losing $3.2, okay, with lot size of 0.20. It's as easy as that, okay. So don't forget the zone at which we set our stop loss. Now, if you want to set your TP, what ratio did you want to use? Now, if you're using a ratio of 1:5, definitely it will be your stop loss figure, your stop loss amount will be multiplied by 5. That's $16. It means that you'll be setting your TP to $16. It means that you are capable of losing $3.2 to get $16. That's a ratio of 1:5. Now let's take for example, if you are risking 1:3, then multiply by 3, that would be $9.6. Now, how do you know where to set your $9.6? Now, what you do now is you use your crosshair again, okay, to go down from your entry down. If you're using a desktop, you just click on the entry, you drag it down. That was very easy to show you the figure. Now take it down, take it down, take it down. Let's assume we have 33 here, okay. Now it will now be 16 multiplied by, let me check. No, it should be, now let's use 0.20. 0.20 multiplied by 33 pips. We have 6, and we're looking for 16. We're looking for 66. No, 66 is more. It means that we have to go down a bit more. Let's change the time frame. It means we have to go down more. Let me just set it. I hope you guys understand exactly what I'm trying to do. It has to be down around this point, okay. Let's assume it's let me change the time frame to 1 hour. Oh, it's going down already. Let me change it to 4 hours. All right, let's see something as such. We have this is the cell. Let's sell here. Now let's take it down. We have like 186. Let's do the math. 0.20 multiplied by 186. We have $37. So it means that if your trade should move from this entry to around here, you'll be picking like $37 with 0.20 lot size. I hope you understand me, guys. If you don't, please just comment, or don't forget to check the description text. Click on the description and you will see where you can contact me directly on my Telegram channel at Bisnetplus CEO. Click on it, you'll get directly to my DM, or you can just join at Bisnetplus Vis. So you see the link there anyway. Just click on it and join the channel, please, guys. So if you have any more further question, you can just like send me text me. Probably if you can call me so that we talk and we sort everything out. I'm a good listener, okay. So guys, if you want to join my VIP, it's just $40 for 30 days, and immediately when you see this video, you chat me and I'll give you at $30. It's $40 for 30 days. But if you tell me in my DM that you saw this video and want to join the VIP, I'll give you for $30. Yeah, $30, and we're making profit, guys. So guys, that's just it for this video. Oh, before I go, let me talk about the lock-in profit. Sorry guys, let me talk about the lock-in profit. Now the best example for lock-in profit is when your traders come in profit. Now let me go back to 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. So anytime you're earning or people saying now take your SL to your entry point, it means that even if your trade should go in loss, let's assume it was coming from this place and it gets here, it will hit your stop loss, which I said is around 3.20, okay, which is the stop loss, right? If you're using lot size of 0.2. Now, if you want to lock in your profit, what you now do is you click on the crosshair above before the F button, then you now take it down. You can decide to put it at your entry or a bit below your entry if you are selling. That's 5912. Okay, 5912. You can see the price 5912. Now, when you put it here, it means that if the spike is coming, okay, when it gets to that point, it will lock in your profit for you. It means that you will not lose. You know, spikes doesn't respect stop loss or TP, right? But you won't lose up to $3.20. So that's why if your trade has gone farther in profit, then you just make sure that you set your stop loss around this point here, which is 5894. Now, even if your trade goes in now let me use this and this. Now let's assume this is where you set your stop loss at the red horizontal line, which is at the price of 5894, and we have a very long spike that cut across this space. Okay, it will take you out. It won't get to this point here. It will probably take you out around this place. Let's assume this is where the spike reach. Then you will be the one to own the profit from this point, then above to this point. Okay, so instead of you losing everything, it will take you out. Okay, so now let me quickly show you how to lock in your profit on this. Now if you want to lock in your profit with this, now you now shift your SL below your entry since you are selling. Okay, so now let's remove, or let's know where we're gonna set our stop loss at first. Let's assume you want to set it here. Okay, you want to set it here. Let's assume you want to set it here. Okay, to come down more, then that would be 5889, right? Or even let's go down a bit, 5888. Now come here, then check for the one you set the stop loss for. I've forgotten the figure. Oh, I'm going older. So okay, 5887, 5887, 5887. Now let's come here, click on it, then you change the figure to 5887 or 888. No, the modify button is not active. 5886. No, 5889. Alright, let's click on modify. Now let's check it. We can see now this is the SL. This is the SL. You see, this is the SL. This is where we set the SL. Even though if there is a spike now, it should stop you out from around this place or above, depending on how long the spike is. So guys, that's how to lock in your profit. Should you join my VIP and I tell you to lock in your profit and leave the trade running, that's how you can do it. So the profit from this point here to above here is yours. Okay, all the space, the profit is yours. So guys, click on the description and join my Telegram channel, please. Join my Telegram channel. I do drop free signals too. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, chat me directly on Telegram, or you can just leave it on the comment section below. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye.